Hi there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Today on the wall of color, we'll be using Coventry Gray HC-169 on the Benjamin Moore chart. So grays are really in these days. We've been using a lot of them. Let's see what Coventry Gray looks like. Okay, there we have our first coat of Coventry Gray, colored pretty well. You can probably see there's some unevenness in the finish, and even though it's really close, we never would leave this at a client's home with just one coat. You might have heard me say, if you've watched our other videos, if you're changing sheen or changing color, expect 2 coats. And that's what we're going to do here. Apply another coat of Coventry Gray and see what that looks like. So there we have our second coat of Coventry Gray HC-169 on the Benjamin Moore chart. Very nice silver gray tone. I really love the contrast against the white baseboard trim that I installed. Let us know your thoughts about Coventry Gray. Thanks again for watching The Wall of Color, and please hit subscribe and like. It helps other people who are looking for color find our videos. Thanks again.